Salted crackers mixed with ground cinnamon can attract fire ants, but they are unlikely to eliminate a large colony on their own. Salted crackers provide carbohydrate and sodium that draw worker ants, while ground cinnamon adds a strong scent that can increase discovery by foraging ants and may have mild repellent properties at higher concentrations. For an effective homemade bait, finely crush the crackers into a coarse powder so the ants can carry it. Mix in a light dusting of ground cinnamon at roughly 1 teaspoon of cinnamon per cup of crushed crackers, and keep the mixture dry so it does not clump. Place the bait in shallow, small containers such as bottle caps or pie tins around the mound perimeter during warm, dry daylight hours when ants are actively foraging, and avoid placing the bait directly on top of the mound where moisture and heavy traffic can spoil the bait. Check placements every 24 to 48 hours and replace any bait that becomes wet or moldy, and move placements slightly each day to follow active foraging trails so more workers encounter and transport the material into the nest. For larger infestations, combine this baiting approach with physical mound treatments, such as careful soaking of the colony with a liter of water per square foot to force deeper brood closer to the surface, followed by retreatment with fresh bait a day later to increase uptake by disturbed workers. Monitor for several weeks because bait uptake by workers and distribution to queens and brood can be slow and inconsistent with non-toxic attractants. Common mistakes include using too much cinnamon, which can repel instead of attract ants and reduce bait uptake, so keep cinnamon amounts low and test a small placement first. Another issue is leaving bait exposed to rain or irrigation, which ruins palatability, so use shallow covered dishes or replace bait after wet weather. Finally, many people assume visible reduction in surface foragers means the colony is gone, but queens can survive deep underground and repopulate, so continue monitoring and repeat baiting or combine with targeted insecticidal control if activity persists. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find local contractors for follow-up treatments or larger-scale control, and we also help contractors connect with nearby work. We host an active discussion community where homeowners and pros share tips, product experiences, and practical how-to guides.